Ever wondered how to make the best smoked ham and brisket combination? Well, pull up a chair because today the secret recipe unveils itself. A culinary journey awaits, one filled with smoky flavors, tender meats, and a symphony of spices. First things first, the ingredients. For the perfect smoked ham and brisket, gather a 10-pound ham and a 10-pound beef brisket. The marinating magic begins with a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of salt, a quarter cup of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Don't forget the secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons of dry mustard. This adds a kick that separates the good from the unforgettable. Now the preparation takes center stage. Coat the meat generously with the marinade. Remember, it's not just about surface flavor. Rubbing the marinade into the meat ensures every bite is a flavor-packed experience. Once the ham and brisket are fully coated, set them aside. Let the flavors meld and marinate for at least 12 hours. Overnight works best. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity when smoking meats. As dawn breaks, prepare the smoker. It's the heart of this operation. Preheat it to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, low and slow is the key. The ham and brisket should bathe in the smoke, gradually absorbing the woody essence. Once the smoker is ready, place the ham and brisket inside. The anticipation builds, but remember, good things come to those who wait. For the next 12 hours, maintain the temperature and let the smoke work its magic. The aroma will tantalize, but resist the temptation to open the smoker. Each peak lets out precious heat and smoke. Instead, trust the process. After 12 hours of smoking, it's time to check the meats. The ideal internal temperature for both the ham and brisket is 195 degrees Fahrenheit. A meat thermometer is a good friend here, ensuring the meat is cooked to perfection. Once the right temperature is reached, remove the meats from the smoker. Allow them to rest for at least 30 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every slice is moist and flavorful. And there you have it, the best smoked ham and brisket combination. A recipe that takes time, but the result is worth every second. From the initial marination to the final rest, each step plays a crucial role in creating a dish that is more than a meal, it's a masterpiece. Remember, great barbecue isn't just about the right ingredients or the perfect smoker. It's about the love, patience, and care poured into every step. So the next time the craving for smoked ham and brisket hits, know that the perfect recipe is within reach, because with the right guidance, anyone can become a master of the smoker.